The Collector's Guide to Case XX Pocket Knives and Prices, KnifeDB.com, presents Video 207, Case XX Knives Without Model Number Stamps, Finding Their Identity and Value. Today, we will cover how a collector can figure out the model number of a knife that does not have a model number stamp. Remember, collectors need the model number to determine the value of a knife. For example, this knife is listed for sale on eBay. The seller doesn't list a model number because it isn't on the knife, but does say that the knife is 4 inches long. Let's go try to identify this unusual appearing knife. Normally, after we log in, we go to the knife search page. Okay, but today we don't know what the knife is, so this isn't going to do us any good. Instead, we're going to go to pattern search. I'm going to click on that. The pattern search comes up, and now we're going to put in everything that we know about this knife. We don't know the pattern code or the lock type or the sub-pattern number or even the pattern name. Those are things we're looking for. But now we do know some stuff. Looking at the knife, you can tell that it has one blade. The bolster end count means how many knife ends have bolsters on them. And in this case, it's 0. There are no bolsters on this knife. The blades on the left end, 0. The blades on the right end of the knife, 1. And a crucial piece of information, the length of the knife is 4.0. And now we are going to search. And here are the results of the search. You'll notice that we had 4 sub-patterns, I call them, that match these search results. 4 inches long, no bolsters, single blade. Okay, what we're looking for is not this one, is it? It's not that switchblade or this budding knife. But look at this one. This is the pattern that we're looking for. And we can click on Show Knives. And here is the knife we seek. And of course, always available knife details and prices. And when we go there, we find that this fine knife in quality 1 in 2013 sold for $372. It's a good one. Here's a copy of the tang stamp that was on the front, and so on. Okay, let's try another one. The next knife I want to do is this double end or seahorse looking knife with smooth black composition handles. So here we are once again on our pattern search page. And looking at the picture, we're immediately going to start putting in the information we know. Total blades on this knife is 2. The bolster end count, a bolster on each end makes 2. Blades on the left end is 1. Blades on the right end is 1. And the frame length on this one is 3¼ inches, which I'm going to put in as 3/1/4. And here are the results of this search. You'll notice that we now have 32 sub-patterns that met our criteria. I'm going to ask you to remember that it kind of had a clip blade, okay, and kind of looked like a seahorse, so it's definitely not this. This is a spear blade. Here's a clip blade, but doesn't look like a seahorse. So I'm just going to look down this list and see if we get lucky here. No. Ooh, kind of a seahorse looking knife, but it's got a Warncliffe blade. And definitely not that. I don't even have a picture of this one, but looky here. Clip blade, seahorse looking double end knife. Let's look at the knives here. There's 3 of them that match this. And indeed, here is our knife. Once again, we can go look at the details, and we'll see that in 2016 you could buy this knife for $145 at an eBay auction, and the quality was almost worn. Okay, there you have it. And most importantly, we have now found our model number. It is a 0222 1.5 with black composition handles. Hope that helps.